Kita naman yan, no? Kita? Okay, sige. Ay, nawala. Okay. Ready? Sige, good morning everyone. So, I hope may energy pa. Kung hey Fat Choy, may Chinese ba dito? Hindi naman ako Chinese, pero kung hey Fat Choy ako kahapon sa ACE, no? So, today we will discuss your male reproductive system under the microscope. Siyempre. Kasi tinuro na ni Doc Jess most grossly sa inyo to. So, medyo madali na dapat ma-imagine kung paano siya under the microscope. Madali ba? Siyempre hindi. Okay, for our objective, name the organ from which the histological section was taken and know its function. Anong gusto ko for today's discussion? So gusto ko hindi lang mapangalanan, hindi lang ma-identify. Gusto ko medyo kahit pa paano alam niyo yung function. Hindi lang para pag nag-side question kami ay makasagot kayo. Syempre, para alam nyo kung paano ba nangyayari sa katawan ng mga males. Kasi nga, male reproductive system ito. Okay, so for this figure, ano yan? Nasa kaliwa. That's your testes, di ba? So ito, in general, anatomy ito of your testes. So nasa kaliwa, this is the diagram shows a partially cut away anong section? Sagittal section of your testis. Ito ha, sagittal section of your testis. And sa kabila, ano yon? Yung histologic picture na yan. Structure, that's your seminiferous tubule. Again, that's your seminiferous tubule. Ano tong binubilugan dito? Singapore, SG. Ano yan? That's your spermatogonia. So, near the periphery, anong napapansin nyo? Near the periphery, pag sinabing periphery, nasaan? Sa gilid. Near nuclei of your Sertoli cells. Yung SC, that's your Sertoli cells. And your PS, that's your spermatocytes. Spermatocytes, no? Specifically, your primary spermatocytes. And your LS, that's your late spermatids. Again, late spermatids. And near the lumen, ano ba yung IC na yan? Sige. That's your interstitial cells. Saan nyo siya nakikita? Surrounding connective tissue. Again, no, this is the anatomy of your testis. Okay. So dito, anong important sa akin? Ang dami nangyayari. O sige, isa-isahin natin. So your tunica albuginea extend into what? Into the testis? Anteriorly or posteriorly? Posteriorly, di ba? As the mediastinum testis. That's your number 10 and number 16. Tingin kayo sa picture. Huwag malilito. Okay. While your number 4, ano yung number 4? Your interstitial CT, connective tissue, is a, continuous with your 10 and 16, with your mediastinum testis. And anong nilalaman? Contains the steroid or testosterone producing interstitial cells of Leydig. That's your, nasaan? Number 1. Okay. While your 3 and 5, tingin doon sa 3 and 5, ano yon? That's your seminiferous tubules. Ano sila? Lined with spermatogenic epithelium and anong cell? Sustentacular or Sertoli cells. Diba? In the what? In the mediastinum testis, again, your 10 and 16, the seminiferous tubules, your 3 and 5, terminate. Saan? Saan sila nagte-terminate? Your mediastinum testis and your seminiferous tubules, saan nagte-terminate? In the 2 and 6. 2 and 6, your straight tubules. Okay? Yan ang tatandaan. O sige. Dito, important lang sa akin, ayan, medyo binilugan na, your interstitial tissue. Ano ba ito? Saan nakikita? Between the seminiferous tubules. It consists of what? It consists of sparse connective tissue containing your fibroblast, ano pa, lymphatics, and blood vessels including your fenestrated capillaries. Kapag sinabing interstitial cells, anong other name? Review na lang to ha. Sorry, di ako nakapasok kay Doc Mel pero sure ako sinabi niya yan. Okay, thank you, Rojibel. Correct. So your interstitial cells, also known as your Leydig cells, anong nangyayari? During puberty, anong nangyayari? These cells develop as ano? Anong itsura? As large, round, polygonal cells with, anong nasa gitna? Central nuclei and eosinophilic cytoplasm rich in small lipid droplets. And take note that these Leydig cells, what? Produce what hormone? Sure ako sinabi ni Doc Melian kanina. Steroid hormone. That's your clue. Leydig cells. Thank you, Rojibel. That's your testosterone. Again, your Leydig cells produce the steroid hormone testosterone. Again, testosterone promotes development. Anong ginagawa ni testosterone? Development of the anong ginagawa ni testosterone sa males? Development of the secondary male sex characteristics. Take note of that, okay? Okay, o ito na. Identify organ. Sinabi ni Doc Jesmos during the pracs. Nakita nyo sa sa microscope. Identify organ muna, wag mo nang ma-overwhelm sa mga bracketed structure. Sige. Ano yan? Nako, Jesus take the wheel. Okay. Ano yan? Identify organ. Kaka-discuss ko lang That's your testis. Ano yung red bracketed structure? Pag sinabing identify organ, identify specimen, your answer will be testis. Yung red bracketed structure. That's your Okay, thank you, Jane. That's your very good. Tunica albuginea. How about the blue one? That's your, anong structure yan? Nabanggit na din kanina. That's your wala. Your thank you, Sophia. That's your seminiferous tubules. Correct. Okay, sige. Next, identify specimen, identify structure. Sean. Sige. Pa-practice na tayo ha para hindi na kayo nasa-stress kapag pracs. Pinaghirapan ko yung slides na to ha. Hinanapan ko kayo ng magandang pictures. Yung iba dyan, galing pa nung estudyante ako. Ewan ko kung nakita nung nagpapatolab. Yung iba, most of this ay galing na sa internet kasi mas maganda talaga yung actual slides from the internet. Okay, ano to? Identify specimen or structure. Still your correct, Rojibel. Still your seminiferous tubules. Okay, sige. Sige. Identify natin itong part. This is your interstitial compartment. While this part, ano to? Peritubular compartment. Again, interstitial compartment. This one, peritubular compartment. Pero ang usual na itatanong namin dyan, identify specimen or identify structure shown. Diba? Okay. Tinuturuan ko na kayo ha para hindi ma-overwhelm. Okay, so sinabi ulit, identify specimen, identify structure. Sabi ni Rojibel, seminiferous tubules pa rin po. Nagturo. Ano po yung, ano muna ito? Yung bracketed structure na ito. Sige. Ano yan? Ang tinuturo dyan, yung mga yan. Ano yun? That's your, mamaya tuturuan ko kayo ng difference ni ganitong cell kay ganitong cell. Pero ngayon, identify muna natin. Anong tinuturo dyan? Thank you, Lisette. Thank you, Roger Bell. Pareho lang yung sagot nyo, di ba? Parehong tama? O 0.5 yung isa? Parehong tama. That's your Leydig or your interstitial cells. Ito, tumuro na dito. Yung malapit na, nandoon na mismo. O, ano to? Yan. That's your, yung isang cell. That's your cell. Okay, thank you, Sophia. Sertoli cells. Dito, ano to? That's your, pag malapit na sa may lumen, usually, ang tinatanong na dyan, your spermatid. Ito. Primary spermatocyte. Ito naman, your spermatogonium. Okay? Pero huwag kayo ma-stress. Anong dapat lang tandaan dito? Hindi kailangang tandaan lahat. Ang importante lang sa akin matandaan nyo here, your Sertoli and Leydig cells. Okay? Sige, mamaya tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ma-differentiate. Okay, identify encircled structure. Yun pa din. Your seminiferous tubule. So take note that the wall is formed externally by what? Externally by a thin, fibrous sheet and internally by a stratified epithelium. Di ba? Gulo-gulo. Stratified. Okay? Externally composed of formed by thin fibrous sheet and internally by stratified epithelium. Okay. So, again, ayan, practice. Sige. Specimen, ano yan? Structure, seminiferous tubule pa rin ang sagot. Ang tinanong ay give one secretion. Sige, identify muna natin yung pointed cell. Ano yung green? Green arrow. That's your Sertoli cell. While your yellow arrow, that's your Leydig cell. Okay? Bakit ko nasabi? Kapag Sertoli, ano? Usually, saan natin nakikita? Nasa loob, di ba? Inside your seminiferous tubule. While your Leydig, saan natin nakikita? Sa interstitium. Kapag sinabing interstitium, in between your tubules. Again, kapag nasa loob ng seminiferous tubule, ano yon? That's your Sertoli cell. Kapag nasa interstitium at nasa labas, in between tubules, that's your Leydig cells. In terms of location, paano nyo sila ma-differentiate? Ay, location na pa yung sinabi ko. In terms of shape, pag Sertoli, ano bang itsura? Totoo ba? Kapag Sertoli, ano? Tall, columnar, and irregular. Kapag daw Leydig, medyo polygonal and rounded. Okay, ano pa? Key features, si Sertoli may nucleolar indentation. Si Leydig may Reinke crystals, spell ganito, Reinke crystals and lipofuction. Pero kung tatanungin niyo ako kung madali siya makita under the microscope, hindi. So, nice to know lang yun. Sige, going back dito sa ating slide. Sabi dyan, give one secretion of each pointed cell. So, ano daw ang sinisekret ni Sertoli cell? Any idea? Tinuro ni Doc Mel. Sure. Your what hormone? Anti-Mullerian hormone, di ba? And your, ano pa? Inhibin. Okay? Nakuha? Inhibin is regulated by your, FSH, your follicle stimulating hormone. How about your Leydig? Anong sinisikret? Sinabi na natin kanina. What hormone? Your testosterone. Thank you, Sophia. Regulated by what? By what hormone? Your testosterone. Dalawa lang yun. Kung FSH yung isa, edi, si testosterone ay luteinizing hormone. Your LH. Correct? Okay, sige. Aralin. So again, your Sertoli cells reside within your seminiferous tubules, appearing as tall columnar cells with pale irregular nuclei and prominent nucleoli. While your Leydig cells, ano naman siya? Located in the interstitium, di ba, between tubules, characterized by your polygonal shapes, rounded and eosinophilic, ibig sabihin pink cytoplasm. Okay? Okay yon? Maliwanag yon? Ganun mag-aral ha, alamin nyo. Hindi yung parang memorize ko to, Doc, binaligtad yung slide. Hindi mo na alam kung ano si Sertoli tsaka si Leydig cells doon. Okay? Okay, sige. Specimen. Ano yan? That's your, sige ako muna, mahirap to eh. Retitestis. Retitestis. O, lining epithelium. Anong itsura? Nako. Wala na. Sige. Anong itsura? Lining epithelium. Simple, cuboidal, epithelium with microvilli. Again, simple, cuboidal epithelium with microvilli. Kinabisado na ni Donabel yung lining epithelium. Ang tinanong ko, function of your lining epithelium. Patay. Grabe naman, Doc, may function pala ang lining epithelium. Oo, meron. Si Lord, lahat ng ginawa ni Lord may dahilan. Okay, function of your LE. In retitestis, it helps what? Reabsorb protein. Thank you. And correct then, transport sperm. Thank you, Jane. Ano pa? Helps reabsorb protein and what? Potassium from your seminal fluid. Again, helps reabsorb, pero more on reabsorption siya, ha? Reabsorb protein and potassium from what? Seminal fluid. Okay? Okay. Clear tayo dito, ha? Okay. Okay, this is your retitestis and your efferent ductules. Again, retitestis, and your efferent ductules. So, sa retitestis, ulit, simple cuboidal epithelium and usually embedded in dense connective tissue. While your efferent ductules, they drain the retitestis and have a lining with characteristic itsura. Sino mahilig magsamgyup ng seafoods? Anong itsura? Mukha bang scallops? Mukha naman, no? Scallop appearance in section consisting of what? Patches of your simple cuboidal cells and water-absorbing microvilli alternating with patches of your taller cells with, anong nakikita nyo dyan? Yung tinuturo ng arrow. With cilia. Diba? Okay. Again, this is your retitestis and this is your efferent ductules. Okay. Sige. Next. Identify specimen. Identify specimen or identify structure, identify organ. Ano to? That's your, sinabi ko na kanina, di ba? Mukhang scallops. That's your efferent ductules. Again, efferent ductules. Thank you, Jane. Okay, efferent ductules. So, remember here, your retitestis drains into the head of the epididymis or your epididymis via these ductules. So, yun yung function niya. Nagde-drain sa kanya yung, nagde-drain yung retitestis sa head ng epididymis via this efferent ductules. Okay, getching. O, tinanong kayo, lining epithelium. Hindi long exam yan ha. Lining epithelium. Consisting of, for your efferent ductules, consisting of alternating, tall, columnar, ciliated, and short, non-ciliated cells creating a scallop appearance. Okay? Getching? Sige. Basta importante sa akin dyan, scallop appearance, may alternating, tall, columnar, ciliated, and short, non-ciliated cells. Okay. Okay, identify specimen. Nakalipat lang ng slide. O, ano yan? That's still your efferent ductules. So, how to recognize it? Anong sabi ko kung kamukha? Diba? Note the scallop appearance with alternating patches of your microvilli. Also note that here, there is may nakita ba kayong muscular layer? Diba? Wala. Again, here, there is no muscular layer. And anong itsura? Scallop appearance. Okay, sige. Okay, just to show you your epididymis or your epididymis, no? Ano ba siya? C-shaped structure attached to the, to the C-shape, mukha namang C. Ayan. Attached to the, ano ba yan? Anterior or posterior, di ba? Posterior surface of the testis. May 3 regions daw ito. Your head, your body, and tail. Head superiorly, body sa middle, and tail inferiorly. Di ba? Made up of your connective tissue where blood vessels and segments of the duct system of the testis are embedded. The head, ano kayang laman ni head? Contains the distal portions of your ductuli efferentes or ductus ductuli efferentes and the initial portion of your ductus epididymis into which the ductuli efferentes drain, while your body and tail contain the what? Syempre, the rest of the ductus epididymis. O, sige. Identify specimen. Ayan. That's your, kakapakita ko lang. Okay, Sophia and Rajabel, correct. That's your epididymis function. E, tinanong kayo, anong function? Maraming function yan. Site of what and what and what? Okay, correct. Correct, pareho. Rajabel and Sophia. Okay, for the function of your epididymis, site of accumulation, storage, and maturation of your spermatozoa. Again, accumulation, site of accumulation, storage, and maturation. Ha? Tandaan yon ha? Favorite board exam question din. Okay, so ano to? Identify specimen or structure. Yun pa din, your epididymis. Eh, ano tong nasa gitna? This is your spermatozoa. This is your spermatozoa. Eh, ito, ano to? Lining epithelium. Anong itsura? Oh no. Okay, sige. Medyo magulo, no? Pero parang di naman ganun kagulo. So, ano yan? Lining epithelium, pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium with, anong nakikita nyo dyan? With stereocilia. Again, pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium with stereocilia. Okay? For the lining epithelium of your epididymis. Eh, ito, ano bang magandang malaman natin here? Smooth muscle layer na yan. Okay? Tandaan. Again, spermatozoa, lining epithelium, pseudostratified columnar epithelium with stereocilia and smooth muscle layer. Okay? Sige. Okay, for this one, identify organ, identify specimen, or structure. Ano ulit ang sagot? That's your? What's this? Thank you, Jane. Epididymis, lining epithelium, pseudostratified columnar epithelium with stereocilia. Tinanong, which type of tall columnar epithelial cells line the lumen of the epididymal duct? Ano daw yan? Ano daw to? Yung mga puti-puti na yan. Yun lang yung pinagsasabi ko. Which type of tall columnar cells, columnar epithelial cells line the lumen of the epididymal duct? Yung ginuhitan ko. Anong tawag dyan? That is your... Ay, tama ba? That is your... Ano yan? Ano yan? That's your... Basta for the epididymis, nagtanong ng cell, anong isasagot nyo? Ito. That's your principal cells. Okay? Getching? Nagtanong ulit, give the function of this organ. Nasagot na kanina. Again, spermaturation and storage. And pwede rin isagot, secretion of your proteins. Again, secretion of proteins. Okay. Sige. Ito ang ganong picture, no? Just to recap what we've discussed, no? Please take time to review this, no? This image nicely illustrates, di ba? Kitang-kita nyo naman. The transition from the gross anatomical structure down to its what? Histological features. So again, study this, ha? Araling mabuti para hindi nalilito. Okay. Identify specimen. Ano ito? That's your? Sige nga. Specimen. The whole specimen ang tinatanong ko muna, ha. Identify specimen. Ang sagot, spermatic cord. Spermatic cord. Binilugan ko to. Identify encircled structure. That's your, ano yan? That's your vas deferens. Thank you, Roger Bell. Thank you, Raf. Raf, ano VS, Victoria's Secret? Naku, bawal sa pracs. Okay. Ikaw talaga, vital signs ba yan? Okay, pero correct. Your vas deferens. Okay. Ito. Ano ito? Pinakita ko yung bilog. Basta doc blood vessel, naku, sinagot blood vessel. Himatayin ako. Nasaan ba kayo? Nasaan kayong part? Nasa test pa din. Ano yan? Mukhang artery, doc. Buuin. Testicular artery. Testicular artery. Itong mga to, pero ito mga nice to know na lang naman, medyo mahirap na tong i-identify. Pero depende kay Doc Jeslos. So ano yan? Piriform plexus. Yung blue. Ha? That's your, again, piriform plexus. Okay? Pag tinanong, identify whole structure, identify specimen, ang sagot, spermatic cord. Kapag binilugan yung structure, ano yan? That's your vas deferens. Okay? Huwag malilito. Okay. Sige. Ayan na. Ihiniwalay ko yung binilugan ko. Identify specimen or identify structure. Sean, ano yan? That's your? Hiniwalay lang eh. That's your? Thank you, Donabel. Thank you, Sophia. That's your vas deferens. Lining epithelium. Okay. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium with stereocilia. Dok, parang pare-pareho. Adi, tandaan nyo na. Kapag wala kayong masagot, yun na yun. O, function. Function ni vas deferens. Nako. Sure ako tinuro ni Doc Mel yan kanina. Function of your vas deferens. Storage of what? Storage of mature spermatozoa prior to ejaculation. Okay? Magkaiba sila nung kanina nating tinatanong na function. Okay, for your vas deferens, storage of mature spermatozoa prior to ejaculation. Okay, clear? Okay, sige. Again, ito yung lining epithelium na sinasabi ko ha. Pseudostratified columnar epithelium with stereocilia. Kailangan pag tinanong kayo, parang kumakanta kayo ng song ni Taylor Swift, no? Hindi nauutal, nasasabi pseudostratified columnar epithelium with, di pa huminga, stereocilia. Okay. Sige. Practice. Ganito, kunyari, nagtanong. So, a histological micrograph of a tubular structure is shown below. Based on the epithelial lining and the characteristic thickness of its muscular wall, identify the structure illustrated. Ano yan? Kakapakita ko lang. That's your... Diba? Anong answer? Sige na. Nakikita ko yung buka ng bibig ni Roger Bell. Correct. That's your vas deferens. So, letter A. Thank you, Rench. Vas deferens. Correct. So, note D. Anong napansin nyo? Note D. What? Stereocilia. Note D, stereocilia. Alin ang stereocilia? Ito. Okay, may mali akong sinabi kanina. Yung principal cells, yung nakaganon. Ito ang stereocilia. Okay? Sige. Basta pag may tinanong na cells sa... Nasaan na nga tayo? Wait lang. Balikan natin. Sa epididymis, that's your principal cells. Yung nakasurround na violet. Okay. Sige, dami ko sinabi. Balikan natin. Nalito ang first zone. Okay. Again. Ito ang principal cells ha. Just to reiterate. Ito ang stereociliang sinasabi. Gets? Okay. Gets? Sige. Asa na tayo? Okay. So here, wala na. Okay, so note the stereocilia. Ito, again, your vas deferens. Note the stereocilia in high magnification view. Ito yon, diba? This may be distinguished. Paano mo siya madidistinguish? From your true cilia by electron microscope. Ang hirap naman. Electron microscope level by the kapag nasa EM ka na, absence of, paano mo madi-differentiate? Ano mawawala? Absence of your basal bodies. Basal bodies. Okay. Sige. For this, identify specimen, lining epithelium, ano pang structures nakikita nyo, and function. Daming sinabi ni Doc. Saglit. Isa-isa, Doc. Identify specimen. Sige. Ano yan? What's this? Ang ganda ng slides. Pag may nakita kayo na parang ganyan, sanga-sanga, parang honeycomb appearance of the lumen. Yun na clue nyo eh. Okay, thank you, Roger Bell. Correct. This is your seminal vesicle. A function. Secretes what? Secretes part of the seminal fluid. Specifically, ano yung mga yon? Your fructose, your fibrinogen, your vitamin C, and prostaglandins. Okay? Pero kahit fructose lang ang masagot at yun lang ang natatandaan nyo, okay na sa akin yon. So again, note D, ano bang itsura niya? Diba? D what? Your honeycomb appearance of the lumen. Di ba? Mukha naman. Honeycomb appearance of the lumen. Ano pa? In female reproductive, anong kamuka niya? Sino ang kamuka niya? Kaya huwag kayong magkakamali. Oh, tandaan nyo na para kapag alam nyo, nasa male eh, most likely hindi ito, kundi ito to. Diba? This specimen, dahil nasa male din naman tayo, this is your seminal vesicle. Pero histologically, sinong kamukha niya sa female repro? Your fallopian tube. Okay? Remember that. So, kamukha niya, medyo hawig, fallopian tube. Okay? Tandaan nyo yung mga tips na ganyan ha, para hindi nahihirapan during the pracs. Okay, so ang ganda ulit ng pictures na ito. So, aralin, no? So, helpful tip lang, no? Structures, share common features, no? Each, kung napansin nyo, each structure comprises a tube of your smooth muscle lined with, diba, pseudostratified columnar epithelium with stereocilia. And upon sympathetic stimulation, the smooth muscle contracts to move your spermatozoa or your seminal fluid from the testis to the penile urethra. And the epithelial layers comprise the what? Both basal and columnar cells. Okay, sige. Medyo di lang kagandahan ng staining nito, pero actual slide kasi to para ma-practice kayo. Identify specimen, identify organ. Ito nga ang clue nyo dyan eh. Ano yan? Identify. Wala. That's your, thank you, Sophia. Correct. That's your prostate gland. Again, prostate gland. Eh, ang tinanong ko, pinakita ko yan, masama ugali, give the female analog of this specimen. So, ang ibig ko sabihin, give the female analog of the prostate gland. Pero syempre, hindi ko sasabihin prostate gland para kailangan alam niyo yung histologic feature nito. Give the female analog of this specimen in females. Diba? Your skin gland. Diba? Oh, pwede kaming mag-side question na ganon. Ha, pinapractice ko na kayo. Again, the female analog of your prostate gland is your skin gland. So, ano pang gusto ko ma-identify dito? Eh, ito, ano to? Identify pointed structure. That's your na-identify nyo na yan. Okay, thank you, Sophia. Thank you, Rojibel. That's your corpora amylacea. Correct. Eh, tinanong ko, what's the function of the pointed structure? Sabi ni Rojibel, wala. Okay. Unknown. So, correct. No? Unknown. So, ano ba itong mga to? Prostatic, what? Concretions lang that increase and calcify with age. Okay? So, pag tinanong ko, function of your corpora amylacea, unknown. Eh, Doc, wala akong sinagot kasi nga wala. Eh, hindi pwede. Dapat may unknown. Malay ko ba kung wala kang sagot kasi hindi mo talaga alam. Di ba? Ang sagot, unknown. So, again, itong mga corpora amylacea na nakikita sa prostate glands ay concretions lang that increase and calcify with age. Okay pa tayo? Nakakasunod pa? Konti na lang? Okay, sige. Okay, again, identify organ or specimen. Ito, maganda na yung staining, ha? Sige. Yun pa din. Oh, what's that? Prostate gland. Okay? Identify pointed structure. H&E stain ito, no? Kaya maganda. Ano yan? Pink, round, laminated structures. That's your corpora amylacea or corpus amylaceum. Pareho lang yon. Parehong tama. Okay? Sige. Ito, identify pointed structure. Iyon pa din. Your corpora amylacea or corpus amylaceum. Tinanong, identify specimen. Medyo hindi maganda yung specimen na ito, no? Medyo mahirap. But answer for this is still your prostate gland. Okay. Sige. Ito, doon pa rin. Anong gusto kong ipakita? Your blood vessels, your nerves, and your smooth muscle cells. Found in your, found in your stroma. Okay? Yun lang naman. Okay. So, specimen. Ano na to? Nasaan na tayo? Specimen? Anong specimen? Kita kayo na parang di ba parang muka? Gagamboy. Spider-Man. Okay, Faye and Lisette, correct. This is your penis. Mainly made up of your 3 cylindrical muscles called your cavernous bodies. Ano ba yung mga cavernous bodies na yon? Sino ang paired? Sino ang unpaired? Sige. Paired si? Corpora? Okay, thank you, Jane. Corpora cavernosa. Unpaired si corpus spongiosum. So, externally, anong nagko-cover kay penis? Alam nyo na yan. Siyempre, skin. Walang skin ang penis. Okay. Sige. Okay. Okay. So, identify again these two. Your corpora cavernosa, your paired erectile tissue. This one. Ano yan? Your non-erectile tissue that conveys the what? Your penile urethra and ends distally as glans penis. Ano ito? This is your corpus spongiosum. Again, corpus spongiosum, itong buong ito. Tinuro ko. Ito lang. Identify pointed structure. Ano yon? That's your, nasa corpus spongiosum na kayo. That's your, penile urethra. So, paano tatandaan to? An easy way to remember, kapag corpus, tatandaan nyo corpus. Diba, body? Corpus, one body. Kapag corpora, more than one body. So, kapag corpus cavernosum, diba, one erectile body, singular yung sinabi nyo doon. Kapag corpora cavernosa, diba, paired, plural. So, anong mas tama, Doc, na gamitin? That's syempre, your corpora cavernosa. Kasi, paired sila eh. Pero kung corpus cavernosum at hilong-hilo na at pa rin basta alam nyo na cavernosa yon. Correct din sa akin. Pero kung tatanungin nyo ako kung anong mas tamang term, your corpora cavernosa. For your spongiosum, adi corpus spongiosum. Kasi iisa lang siya, unpaired. Clear tayo doon? Clear. Okay. Identify organ. Sige nga. Identify organ. Hirap naman, Doc. Sinum ko lang. Hinay magnification ko lang. This is still your penis. Okay, thank you, Jane. Sorry, nagmamadali ako eh. Wala naman ako hinahabol. May time pa naman. Okay, sige. Identify bracketed structure. Ayun na ang tinanong ko. Patay. Ano yan? Ito na nga ang clue nyo dyan eh. Ano yan? Identify bracketed structure. Correct, Faye. That's your corpus spongiosum. Again, corpus spongiosum. Tinanong ko, identify pointed structure. Ano yan? Sinabi ko na kanina. Thank you, Faye. That is your penile urethra. So, how to recognize it? Tandaan nyo lang yung shape. Ano bang itsura? Di ba? Parang star-like, parang stellate, or irregular folded lumen siya. At ang location, syempre, nasaan ba ang urethra ng mga lalaki? Nasa gitna, di ba? Centrally within the what? Surrounding erectile tissue, your corpus spongiosum. Okay, ganun lang mag-aaral. Di ba madali lang? Medyo favorite ko nga ang histo ng male repro eh. Kasi medyo ba? Parang hindi pa din. Medyo magpagkakaiba naman compared sa mga inaral natin dati, di ba? Okay, so this is just to show you the summary of your prostate and penis, no? Again, aralin, this is your corpora amylosea, and just to show you your spongiosum and your cavernosum. Kay spongiosum, meron pang tinatawag na urethral gland of litre or litre ang basa. Pero sa actual slides kasi medyo mahirap na tong ma-identify. Pero at least theoretically, alam nyo pa rin na may nakikita tayong ganon in your corpus spongiosum. Okay? Okay, basahan ito. So, ito, maganda ring slides for your penis, no? Kitang-kita yung distinction ni cavernosa at spongiosum. Diba? Okay. Tapos kung anong laman nila, so yun lang ulit ay. Yun lang ulit. Okay. Sige. This is just to show you a table summary. Saan ko kinuha yan? Sa textbook nyo, syempre, of your male reproductive system. So, kung medyo hirap mag-aral visually, at least, di ba? Aralin nyo to para kung nahihirapan kayong mag-identify ng picture, at least may clue sa tanong pa lang, location, epithelium, function. Aralin nyo na para kapag nag-side question kami, hindi kayo nararattle, no? Kayang-kayang sagutan. Okay. Sige. Questions, clarifications, violent reactions. Tapos na pala ako. No? Nandiyan ang references, but most of my slides, no, nakuha ko lang din sa internet. Pero syempre, dinouble check natin gamit ang Junquera kung tama ang pinagsasabi. Okay, ganun mag-aaral. Hindi ko lang nakuha sa internet, no? I-double check, i-compare sa textbook. So, questions, clarifications? Okay yon? Okay sa inyo? Di pala ako nag-screenshot. Okay. Okay naman sa inyo yung mga pictures, no? Aralin nyo yun. Magaganda yung pictures na pinakita ko sa inyo. Malay nyo, yun yung gamitin. Di tayo sure. Malay nyo, mag-print ako. Sipagin ako mag-print. Pero i-share nyo sa mga classmates nyo. Tsaka kay Mika Eri. Wala si Mika Eri, ha? Share nyo yung notes nyo kay Mika Eri. Okay? Questions? Wala na? Ay, ang aga ng mamaya, parang review lang naman tayo, no? With us. So, medyo mabilis lang din yon. So, may pasok pa kayong 4 p.m., no? 1 to 4 lang? Tama? Okay. O sige, early lunch. So, mag-aral mabuti yung mga pictures. Yun na yun. Aralin na lang, ha? Aralin by heart. Makakasagot na sa pracs. Promise. Promise. Pero hindi ako gagawa ng pracs. Hindi ako, nandun ako. Nag-a-ask kayo kung pwedeng ano sabi ni Raf? Sa Friday? Gusto niyo mag-lab? Tatanong muna natin, no? Tanong niyo muna kay Doc Mel kasi yung ating rooms ay kaya yun may schedule kasi may gumagamit din na mga pre-med, mga medtech and mga other pre-med, ginagamit yon. So, di tayo sure kung available ng Friday. Pero tanong nyo naman, kung available, palagi ko papayagan naman kayo. Ha? Okay? Basta ingatan yung microscopes. Okay. Wala na questions? Violent reactions? Wala. Kay Raf na lang muna kasi wala si Mika Eri. Okay? Sige. Bye-bye na. Sige. Early lunch and balik kayo ng 1 p.m. ha? With